We're here today at the 2017 Oregon Wine Experience. My name is Chris Foltz. I'm the executive chef for the Mill Casino in Coos Bay. It's the casino owned by the Coquille Indian tribe, and this is our traditional style salmon bake that we do down there on the coast. Every September 9th this year, we'll serve about 2,000 people, but right now we're here serving 600 fine people here at the Asante fundraiser and having a good time. This goes way back. Just open fire and these sticks would be in the sand, you know, so you can adjust it. And you'd cook the salmon with cedar and alder, you know, intense heats. It's amazing fish. And the fish itself, this is wild caught in the river. It's not ocean either. And so it's really fatty. It's big. It's 25-pound, really fatty fish. And these things are alive. I mean, this is as healthy as it's gonna get. The tribal fisheries pull these out. I got these yesterday afternoon, filleted them last night, and they're hitting the plates here in a couple hours.